Yeah. Okay. So students, we are in the second session of similar triangles. Okay. We have done one session. So I thought I'll be try to complete this particular topic, but still I think I'll be requiring another half an hour of the session to start the sample paper after today's session. Okay. So I'll be quickly recapping what we have done and what we need to go ahead with. Yeah. So students, this is how we have started our chapter. Similarity, BPT, criteria for similarity, we need to solve some problems, and area of similarity, which only some formula is, okay? But before starting similarity, I choose to start with congruency. So I just started with congruency, same shape, same size, and for the congruency of triangles, I need to check three angles, three sides. Finally, I said there is no requirement. You only check this particular combination. It is more than enough. I said, okay. This is how we have completed congruency. Then we have started similarity. In the similarity, we are only concerning about the shapes but not sizes. Okay, shapes but not sizes. Yeah, when we come to the similarity, by looking, we can easily clear say, but again, we need some mathematical formula, especially for triangles. Here also we have decided definitely we should go and check all the three angles are same or not corresponding angles. The second and important thing is only check the ratio of the sides. AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. It's not side. It's sides ratio, sides ratio. Okay. Then again we felt that is it required to go with all these many six particular elements always six parameters. Again finally we zero down it. There is no need to check all the six, only check this particular combination, and that is more than enough to say whether it is similar or not. Okay. Yeah, then we went to the BPT student. In the BPT, we have just explored what is BPT and what are the basics. So what is BPT? If in a triangle, if a line ABC is a triangle, if a line is drawn to a triangle which is parallel to one side, I'm assuming BC is one side, I'm drawing a line parallel to one side such that this line will intersect this head D, intersect this head E. Then by BPT you can say AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is where we have stopped, student. Okay. So now this is BPT. We need to explore the proof of BPT. For the proof, I have just explained two things are minimum requirements for the proof. What are those, students? First of all, whenever you see obtuse angle triangle, to find the area, we need to draw the perpendicular. And the perpendicular can only be drawn if BC is extended like this. And what is the area? Half into base is BC and height is AD. This is one prerequisite which we need to know. And the second prerequisite, yeah, when you look, this is a these two are parallel lines, and these two triangles are formed between these two parallel lines. So blue color triangle and red color triangle. Their both areas are same. What are areas, students? Area means the painting. If I start painting these two, the amount of paint required is same for me. So that way we can just say area formed by the triangles between two parallel lines sharing common base. You can see red color also, blue color also, their base is AB only. Their base is AB only, sharing common bases. Then they both are equal. So with these two things, we should go for the proof. Okay. So student, for proof is very important. Again, I'm saying it's very important. 95% chances are there for this particular proof to come. Okay. Yes, Mega.
So why do they have to have the same base? Even if you put the second one also, it'll still be the same, right?
Pardon?
No, if you flip the second triangle also, even if they don't have the same
Yes,
base,
yes, yes,
it'll still be equal.
yes. You're right. Okay, but actually in the proof, I'll use this comment. So I just took the same example. Okay, yeah. So student, in the math, I ask very little things to remember. The one thing which I am asking is whenever I want to prove this, you need to do some construction. Why some construction? Just now I have explained. You see, I have constructed something to make the perpendicular to line. So that's the reason we need to go for some construction. So what are construction? So you can see I'm joining EN, which is perpendicular to AD. This is extra construction, and DM perpendicular to AE. Also joining DC and B. These are the minimum constrictions which we require to do to further proof of this. Okay. Okay. So student, let us start the journey. Then once you have understood the construction, let us start journey. Okay. So how to start? I want AD. Okay. Okay. Mega. Go ahead, student. I want AD. AD is here. Which triangle should I take, student?
ADE.
Area of triangle AD. Yeah. Go ahead. What is the formula?
Half into base into height.
Yes, exactly. You see, student, she is telling ADE. ADE is here. Half into base into 8. What is the base then, Mega?
AD is the base.
Yeah, you can see, student, 90 degrees is lying on AD. So AD is the base and height,
EN.
EN is the height. EN 90 degrees is the height. Okay. So yes, so you see, so why did I start with that? Because I want to bring AD in the screen or AD in the picture. I started with this. Yes, Narendran. Next, please. I want to bring DB in the picture. So which triangle should I take, beta? DB is here.
The DB.
Area of triangle DBE. He's saying, student. Let me see. DBE. Absolutely right. So that I can bring DB in the picture. Yes, give me the area. Half into.
The DB into EN.
Very good. You see, student, it's an obtuse angle triangle. When you bring outside something like this, student, you see the angle is more than 90. For obtuse angle triangle, you need to extend this fellow so that this 90 degrees will fall on him, fall on it. Okay. So that's the reason. So we are taking extending BD and 90 degrees is lying on it. So what is there? Half into base is BD only and height is En only. En. That's all. Okay. That's all. Now you can look on the left side. It is not AD and DB. It is AD by DB. So that means I need to divide this both of them. Okay. So let me divide this equation by this equation. I am able to see this cancel. This cancel. I want AD by DB. I got AD by DB. AD by DB. Okay. This is one phase. Okay. Yes, Sankita. So now you see, student, I want to bring A in the picture. So A is here. Which triangle should I take?
So AD.
AD, absolutely right. Area of triangle ADE, and it will just half into base.
Half into A is the base.
Yeah, you see, student, AE is the base because DM is falling on that AE. Okay, so she's absolutely right. Half into AE into
DM.
DM. Okay, you see, student, you want AE, A is already there here. Okay, so by just checking the things, you can just follow. Okay, Shayan. Next is EC beta. EC. EC is here. So which triangle should I take, Shayan?
BEC.
Very good. DEC is the triangle which we need to take. Okay. So student, again, this particular thing is a obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So yes, Shayan, give me what is the area of DEC? Half into?
Half into EC
Very good. You see EC. Very good. EC
into DM.
very good. DM. Absolutely fine. Okay. EC into DM. Okay. But you also, it is AE by EC students. So obviously, we don't have choice. We need to divide it to bring the things into the picture like that. Okay. So I'm just dividing the things. So I'll use the back one. This one, half and half gets cancelled. DM gets, I got AE by EC. Okay. So student, I'm just writing the same. ADE by DBE is already written. ADE by DBE equal to AD by BD, AD by BD. Then what did we do? AD by DEC, ADE by DEC equal to AE by EC, AE by EC. Done. Okay. Yes, student. Now my question is to make them both equal. That means my right hand side should be equal. So my left hand side should be equal. Let me see left hand side. ADE, AD. Students, already numerator is already equal. So there is nothing to do. But denominator I am able to see BDE and DEC, they are not equal. Where are BDE? BDE is this. DC is this. So that's again I'm able to see they're just between the parallel lines. Why? Because he said DE and BC are parallel lines, and we have just seen that area formed between parallel lines which are sharing common bases are equal. So you can use that comment like this. You should write this comment. Area of triangle BDE and CD are formed between parallel lines DE and BC with common bases. So they are equal. So in place of BDE, you can use CDE. You can use CDE. So that is what I have done. In place of BDE, I have played DEC or CDE. Now I'm able to see left hand side, both are equal. Right hand side, you can make it equal. 5 marks, you'll get right. Okay. So this is a 5 mark question. Again and again, I'm repeating. Don't overlook easy things in the search of complicated things. Okay. So you lose marks for that. Always go for the easy things, repeated things. Definitely, you should go for the higher questions also. Okay. Okay.
This came as a 5 marker in our pre-board.
It will come in your final board also. You see, last 4 years you take everywhere this question is there. But I am expecting converse BPT is this time. I am expecting you may get it for 3 marks this time rather than because last 4 years it is a repeated question. Converse BPT I am expecting this time rather than this. But still, there is a high chance for this again. Okay, yeah. So student again I am saying so that like here we have taken an example of something like this. Here the things may be changing. He may apply PQ parallel to D. Okay. So student, you can do in any way, but I am requesting to follow this order. Start from the common vertex RD by DP equal to RE by EQ. Start from the common vertex because I am giving some. I'll be giving some tips and tricks which will be helpful if you apply if you do in this pattern. Okay. So whenever parallel things are given, you can apply BPT in a triangle. If there is a parallel line, you can apply BPT. But try to start from the common vertex. Sometimes that particular tricks will help you. Okay. So if you all have understood BPT, let us do some numericals on BPT. Okay. Okay. The first numerical on BPT, direct application. Try to draw the diagram and place the things what is asking and try to give the answer. D and E are points on AB and AC of triangle ABC. That means he is taking a triangle ABC. Right? D and E are points on AB and E. So you should always search for this parallel word. If not parallel, you can't apply. Find the value of x provided AD is 4, DB is x minus 4, A is 8, EC is 3x minus. Yeah, these all are given. So student, x value you want some equation, and as the parallel thing is given, you can frame BPT as an equation. Okay, Ankita got some answer. Very good, Ankita. Harshini answer, Ankita answers are matching.
Yeah, I
Rujita,
got you.
yes, Karthik right answer, Rujita right answer, Narendra right answer. Very good student. So I'll be a little bit fast. Huh? I need to cover a lot. Okay, and just cross multiplying the things by cancelling the things will be helpful. Come on, others. Tanish, Shayan, right? Mega, right? Okay, students. Okay, so I'm sure you all got the 2x minus 8. X equal to minus 8 plus 19. That will be 11. Okay, 11 is the right answer. Okay, Tanish. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So they, you see, we have a proof problems are also on BPT. Okay, but this is not proof problem. This is a corollary. Okay, corollary of BPT. Okay, what is saying first? Let us see. If a line is intersecting ABC at D and E, and he has said it is parallel. Student, D is parallel to BC. He has used this word. So clearly, you can apply BPT. Okay. So what is BPT? I'm starting for common vertex AD by DB equal to AE by EC. First of all, read the question, and with the help of that, whenever you look like this, you know that you need to apply BPT, and you apply the BPT and wait. Now, as I said, always common for BPT for this reason. What is that? When I'm checking the things, what I have with the BPT and what he's asking, they are matching in the numerator. Again, I'm repeating, some small trick is there. You can do without this trick also. You will take some time. There are multiple questions like this, and in all the questions, this trick is working. What is the trick? You have written what is BPT. You have seen what is asking. Now their things are matching. Whenever the things are matching, you just reciprocate it, and then you do the conversions or some more additions. Okay, you just do the thing ulta and add one. Okay, you see, I got AD, but denominator is not matching. So I need to do some operation. But how will I proceed by operations? I will just see, okay, numerator is matching. I'll do ulta and then add. I'll do ulta. So only left side I should not do. Right side also I should. Okay. Without these tricks also you can do, but it will take some time. So clearly I can take AD is the LCM, DB plus AD, AE is the LCM, EC plus AE. DB plus AD, DB is this, AD is this, which is nothing but AB. By denominator is AD. EC plus AE, EC is this, AE is this, which is nothing but AC. AC by AE. Is it what I need to prove? No, it is just again ulta. So let me invert both sides, reciprocate both sides, and see, this is what the answer is. Okay. So without this also, you can use your mind by the geometry and do it. Okay. There is no problem at all. But this trick is working. Utilize this trick. Okay. So when you write what you know as per BPT and just check. Okay, in the question it is somewhat matching. So I'll just reciprocate the things and add one and proceed further. Rujita, you understood this?
Yes, sir, but why did you add one like on
Ah,
what
so you
basis?
see, very good. You see, in the denominator I have DB better, so I'll use black color. I have DB, and that fellow is asking me AB. So you see, something I need to add to DB so that I should get AB. That's the reason I have added one. And what is that one? That is nothing but I need to add AD. How can I add AD? If I take LCM only, this AD will come here. I can add AD.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Mega.
So this is what's given in NCERT, right?
Is it is the trick given?
I think in one of the examples, this is what teachers also in school taught us.
Okay, very good. Okay, so yes, so I think even I heard from there, I learned from there, but this trick is working in almost all the questions, not only one that particular question. Okay, yeah. So you see, some students are asking, sir, why we should add one? Why? Because here I want to add AD, here I want to add AE. So if I add AD, I should add on both sides. Here I'll not get the answer. If I so that's the reason I'll add one and then LCM. If I take LCM, AD is being added here, AE is being added here. So that's an easy way. Okay. So student, in this question, even though I explained this, but you try to remember the answer also always. Why? Because many times 1 mark and 2 mark question, your time will be saved by using the corollary of BPT. Why I'm saying corollary of BPT? Okay. So what is BPT? AD by DB, piece by piece, equal to AE by EC, piece by piece. But you look at this particular proof, AD by total is AB equal to AE by total AC. So these both can be used to solve the problems of 1 mark and 2 mark. Okay, 1 mark and 2 mark problems, you can use both of them because nobody is asking to you to actually how did you do that particular thing. Okay, you can utilize either BPT or corollary of BPT to find the answer. But 3 marks and 5 marks, try to use only basic BPT student, not the
So
corollary. Yes,
basically, both of them are similar, right? So we can
both of
take
them
any
are
of the
similar.
sides divided by any sides.
Exactly, both are similar, but 5 marks you should come from here. You should prove this, and then you should apply the thing. Okay. Yeah. So with that, let us do some questions then. Okay. Okay. Now you see, student, here I am not forcing to use BPT or corollary BPT. Now you choose your option. Yes, Avdan.
Sir, I had my maths exam yesterday, prelims 3, last one.
Okay.
So So for this, like the last prelims, they gave standard people standard and basic people basic.
Very
So
good. Very
like the basic people paper I got, sir, it was most of the questions that you like actually showed in class, sir.
Oh,
Like the
very
same
good.
question.
Oh, very good. You see, even during the last year revision only, I got some idea. Okay, so the sample paper discussion is the right thing I need to do. But that day I have done only 10-15 sessions. This year you all will be benefited a lot. When you look at the question final board paper, you will get some idea. Okay, we have done this question in the last 2 months. I'm sure about that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So PQ is parallel to MN. So he's clearly saying you can use BPT. Now you can use BPT or corollary of BPT. Now you look at student KP by PM, piece by piece. He has given KN student. Now you think what you want to use. You see total is given. So best choice is corollary of BPT. Now if you want to use it BPT. You may take some time. Best choice is corollary of BPT. He's asking KQ. So Kp by Pm is there, student. So this will be 4x, 13x. Kp will be 4x, Pm will be 17x. Kq I will to find. Finished. You see one equation, one unknown. You can solve it. Mega right answer. Ankita, very good right answer. Solve, student. So I have used the extension part. That is nothing but corollary of BPT. Because he has given the total one. That's all. Very good, Narendra. Let me see who all are there. Mr. Tanish is there. Avdan, you were not there in yesterday's and day before yesterday's session. Shy and right answer.
Sir, that is because I had English and maths exam back to back, sir.
So yesterday you finished your exam. Today you finish.
Today I finished, sir. Today I had English, yesterday I had maths.
Okay. Yesterday I have taken hereditary first session. If you want, you go for the recording.
Sir, I checked on the notes, sir.
Also, you checked on video notes. So Tanish right answer. Harshini right answer. Okay. So 4.8. I have used corollary. You can use normal BPT also. You'll get the answer. Same answer. Okay. Mm, 1 second. Shall we do this? Not required. Yeah, you do this, student. Is 10, AB is 13, BC is 2. He's asking is black color. That's up to you. You can use anything, basic BPT or extension or corollary of BPT also work. Both will work. Mega, right answer. So I'll use corollary because he has taken the full thing, student. Narendran, I don't think so. Yes, Narendran. Harshini, yes. Shayan, yes. Very good, student. Okay. BF by BA equal to BE by BC. BF is there, not given. BA is 13. BE is 8. This is 2, this is 10, this will be 8. BC is 10. Yeah, I'll get BF here. BF equal to 4 into
Sir, I got answer, sir. I gave.
Very good. 10 point. Yes, Ankita, right answer. Karthik, very good, Karthik. 10.4 I got. So if BF is 10.4, what will be the student? This will be 2.6 to make it 13. Make it 13. Yes, Tanish, wonderful. Very good, students. Okay, absolutely right answer. 2.6 will be the right. Yeah, so there are some problems which you need to use is this BPT to prove it. Okay, you see what is even he has given ABCD is a trapezium with AB is parallel to CD. You all know trapezium opposite sides which are equal in length, not equal, which are bases are definitely parallel. Okay, which are parallel. E and F are the points on non-parallel sides. You see AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Okay, now what I need to do? I need to prove this equation. Yeah, I'm coming to that one. So, student, first of all, you need to write the things like that. Whatever he has given, you write. Trapezium, he said, AB is parallel to CD. AB is here, CD is here. Okay, and you see, he said, respectively, that EF is parallel to AB. That means AB is parallel to EF. This is also given. So by this, you can just say all the three are parallel. You should use this word. If you are not writing this word, you can't apply BPT. All the three are parallel. Now, by soon looking this, I'm sure that I need to apply BPT. For BPT, what should be the reason? I want triangles in the picture and the parallel line in the picture. How can I bring the triangles? The best way whenever such figure comes to bring the triangle is to join the diagonal, form the diagonal. Finish, student. Now we are able to see, I'm able to see a triangle is formed like this and like this, and there is a parallel side also, and this parallel side is for both AB and CD. Okay, so now you can see triangle ADC, triangle ADC, AE by ED. I'm starting with the common vertex. ED equal to AO by OC. Okay, if this is finished, I should go for this triangle now. ABC, triangle ABC, CF by FB, CF by FB. I'm using one common notation. I'm starting with a common vertex. CO by OA, CO by OA. But when I'm looking at these both two, they both are same, but this is reciprocated. So I'll just make the thing ulta. So BF by FC equal to AO by OC. Now I'm able to see they both are equal. Right hand side is equal. I can make equal to left hand side, which is nothing but AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Like okay. So whenever such questions are coming, two things you need to check. You need to search for the triangle concept and you search for the parallel lines concept. Why parallel lines I'm saying is sometimes he is not giving this also. What is this? This line also is not giving. Then what you need to do, student? You need to draw. Okay, construction, extra construction you do. Join E and F such that it passes through O. Okay, such that it intersects. You need to do this extra construction. Now don't say that, sir, I join diagonals, I form triangles, but there is no parallel line. You can construct the thing like this. Then you can do the same procedure. Okay, so there are two types of questions in. One time he is not giving diagonal, other time he is giving diagonal, he is not giving this line. Both the times you need to construct the other part. Okay, you need to construct the other part. Okay. So yeah, yes, students. So please do this, and I'll ask one of the student to help me. So assume this is given for 3 marks. Don't use corollary. Don't use corollary. Assume it is given for 3 marks. You see, we can write by BPT. We can't write by extension of BPT, by corollary of BPT. For 1 mark, 2 mark, it's still okay. But for 3 and 5 marks, avoid it. By using BPT only. Then okay. Okay, I'll take help of Harshini. Yeah, Harshini, LM is here, beta. BCB is here. So which triangle did you consider by looking this word first?
Sir, ACB.
Okay, very good, Narendra. So yes, he said absolutely right. If I consider this big triangle only, then only they both will make to look like BPT. So ACB, these both are parallel. Okay, so in triangle ACB, AM by MB equal to AL by LC. Okay, finish. Then, okay, so yes, Narendran. Next, I'm able to see LN is parallel to CD. LN is here, CD is here. Which triangle did you take?
The ADC.
ADC. Absolutely right, student. ADC is this. Okay, so I'll erase the things. Huh? Don't want to make it much dirty. ADC he need to take. Right answer. Triangle ADC. ADC if I take, these both are parallel. AN by ND, AN by ND equal to AL by LC. AL by LC. Yes, they're absolutely right. I'm already seeing right hand side is equal. Let me equate left hand side. AM by MB equal to AN by ND. Now let me check what is the question actually. AM by AB, okay, I got some numerator right, but denominator still not match. AN by AD, I got some numerator, denominator not. Yes, Shayan, what should I do now? I'm able to see some numerator is matching, but denominator is not matching.
So, can we reverse it and add one?
Yes, exactly. Okay, student, I need to proceed further. So how to proceed further? She's telling, sir, already numerator match. You please reciprocate it and then add one. Okay, so now you see, student, even though I'm saying add one, you should also check you should add one or subtract one. Okay, let me go with add one and check. So if I add one, MB plus AM, where is MB? This one. AM is this one. Okay, I'm getting AB. I want AB. Okay, that's perfectly right. So she said absolutely right. So if I take LCM, MB plus AM divided by AM equal to ND plus AN divided by AN. MB is this, AM is this. I got AB by AM equal to ND is this, AN is this. I got AD by AN. Okay, still not a match, but just a reciprocate. So just reciprocate on both the sides using that. Okay, this is how you need to do such questions, student. Okay, so just take the help of the thing.
Sir, I didn't reciprocal after that.
Okay,
AM
so
by
you added. What did you get?
I got only left hand side properly. Like right hand side wasn't.
So you see, if you are getting stopped over here, if you want to proceed now, if you see, okay, so let me do the same thing what she has done. Okay, so she said after getting here, she added one here on both sides only without changing. AM plus MB, AM plus MB by MB you will get beta. By
Yes, sir.
MB,
Yeah.
yeah. AN by ND by AD you will get. So that's the reason. Again, after confirming that, what will you do? No, you will reciprocate and add. That is fine. But if you use this particular trick, automatically you will get.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, student, give the answer. Ankita, Avdan, Ayana. Ayana is struggling with network. Ayana, we are almost finishing our sessions. Still network issue. क्या करेंगे? You are in Bangalore sometimes, you are in Noida sometimes, but your network is always absent.
That's fine right now.
No,
Good.
I have seen that you are joining at least for third or fourth time. Yes, Avdan.
Sir, one very, normalized question, sir.
Hmm.
Is Noida in Delhi or UP?
Noida is in UP. It's a NCR.
NCR
Then
means?
isn't it in Haryana?
Noida. Yes, yes.
Isn't Noida in Delhi?
No, no. Gurgaon is in Haryana, student. Gurgaon is in Haryana. Noida is in UP, but it is an NCR, National Capital Region. It is in. Okay, you see, this is Delhi. For the Delhi, they has taken Gurgaon and Noida. So they added all of them and made NCR. Okay, so you can't say Noida is in Delhi. No, Noida is in NCR, and Noida is a part of again UP.
National Capital Territory, right? NCT.
NCR, not NCT. NCR, National Capital Region. Gurgaon is in Haryana. This is how they are.
Okay, sir.
So Noida is not in Delhi. Noida is in NCR, and you can also say Noida is in UP. Okay, so you all give answer. So Narendra gives some answer. Tanish, UPR. Yes, Tanish. Give this answer also, Tanish. Harshini, right answer. Ruchita, right answer. Shayan, right answer. Very good, student. That's an easy question. So just choose which triangles and you'll get, I'm sure you'll get. Should I do again? Maya, did you get the answer? Not Maya. Mega, did you get the answer?
Sir, can you show only
Yes,
the
I did.
triangles which triangle?
Pardon?
Can you show only the triangles, sir? Which
Okay, okay.
triangle?
Yes, Karthik?
So yes, sir, the triangles itself.
Okay. D is parallel to AC. D is here. AC is here. Yes, Karthik, now you say which triangle should I consider so that these both lines will be included?
Sir, BE and DC.
D and no triangle. You see
Sir, AD, what's it, sir?
C. That's
ADC.
all. That's all. Only
ADC.
then these both are considered. So
Yes,
now
sir.
BD by DA equal to B by EC. Okay. So this is one thing. Now let me erase it again. Let me go for the next part. Okay. Now DC parallel to AF. DC is here. AP is here. Obviously, I need to construct these triangles so that they both will come into the picture. BD by DA equal to BC by CP. Left hand side equal, you can make right hand side, you can cross multiply and give this is the answer. Understood, Rujuta?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. B is the answer, right, student? Yeah, sorry, A is the answer, sorry. Now. B, I'll do it, student. B by EC equal to BC by CP. If I cross multiply it, BE into CP equal to BC into EC. BC into EC, which is nothing but option number A. Okay? Option number. Okay, last question on this particular thing, and we'll move, go ahead with the next pattern. Noida is very big place. Noida, Greater Noida. I don't know how many sectors and how many divisions it is divided. Very big. Rujuta, I don't think so. Cross check. Tanish, acha, okay, okay. So Tanish also getting same thing. I think you are right. TE, BC. Obviously, I'll take triangle ABC. Acha. TD, here. I'll take triangle ABC. A, BD, equal to BD. No student, I'm getting different answer. Rujuta and Tanish. Cross check. Ankita, right? Yes, I got the same Ankita. Student, you need to look the options. You see, he has taken AD total and options are AB. So it's better to use the extent a corollary of BPT in spite of that particular BPT. I just use the extension of BPT because I'm able to see he has used some full lengths, not half of lengths. Ah, Rujita, now you're right. Mega right. Narendra wrong. Harshini, right. Okay, right hand side is equal. Let me make it get left hand side VD by VD equal to VF by VD. It shows VD square equal to VD into VF. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so by looking the options, I have used the extension part. Huh? I can do the same thing with basic BPT also. Little adjustments I need to do. Tanish, did you check? Where did you go wrong?
Sir, I took the wrong triangles.
So whenever you are getting confused with the triangle, at least with your pencil in your final board, you just mark something like hyphens. You see DE and BC. At least you do like this DE, BC. Okay, so now this line, so big triangle. Like that you do it. Karthik, got it, beta? Karthik, you give the answer? No.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I have already given.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so student, this is what I am assuming that this time converse BPT may come for you. It can't come for 5 marks. Sir. He may add some more question. Application question he may mix and he may give this. Okay. So what is converse BPT, student? It is as the name symbols, it is converse of the BPT what you have learned now. Okay, what does it say? So in this case, if a line divides any two sides, you see a line, this assume this is a line DE, it divides any two sides means it is dividing AB also, AC also in the same ratio. That means AD by DB equal to AE. Don't go for E dash. E dash don't assume it's this is an extra construction. I'll say later. AE by EC. Now you see, student, this is given here. This is given. Now he's asking if this is true, you need to show D is parallel to BC. Okay, in BPT, this is given, this we have shown. Converse BPT, this is given, and this you need to show. Okay, it's just the conversion. Now how will you start? So student, the derivation is not direct, so it's something like you see you have proved in the chapter number 2 root 2 is irrational, you took let root 2 be equal to p by q rational. Like that we need to go ahead in this proof. Okay, so what we'll do, student? Yeah, so let me write all the things. So ABC is a triangle, and D is a line. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is given. What I need to prove? I need to prove D is parallel to BC. But how will I start? I'll say that no, it can't happen. D is not parallel to BC. I'll construct some other thing. Let DE dash be parallel to BC. By looking also, I am seeing that it can't be parallel, but I'll go in indirect way. Okay. What will I do, student? I will draw. Let DE dash is parallel to BC. Now, if you are assuming DE dash is parallel to BC, what can you make a statement? You can apply BPT. If DE dash is parallel to BC, you can apply the BPT. What is that? AD by DB, AD by DB equal to AE dash by E dash C. AE dash by E dash C. Okay, so student, I have drawn extra construction. I said it is parallel to BC, and finally I should prove it's wrong. It can't be parallel, I should prove. Okay, so I have drawn, now once I am saying parallel, I can apply BPT. But again, now I am able to see this equation, what I constructed and wrote BPT, and what he gave, already left side are matching. So can I equate right side? Yes, I can equate right side. AE by EC, AE by EC equal to AE dash by E dash C. I just equated right side. Okay, now student, I just got struck up. I am not able to proceed. But right now, what did you see? If you are not able to proceed, either you reciprocate and add 1 or you add 1. This is what we have seen. So I'll just add 1 and proceed further. I just want to move ahead. What in this particular types of question, how can we move ahead? We should add or reciprocate and add. So I have just added 1 and let me check. What is the now I'm getting? If I add 1, let me take LCM. EC is the LCM. AE plus EC equal to here E dash C is the LCM. AE dash plus E dash C. Now let me use some geometry. Where is ED? AE is this. EC is this. What is AE plus EC? It's nothing but AC. So in place of these two, I'll just write AC. Denominator I'm not able to change. I'll write the same. Now let me see where is A dash. A dash is this. E dash C is this. What is the total, student? Again AC. Denominator is E dash C. Now what can I do? I can just cancel this fellow, and cross multiply them. This will go here. E dash C equal to this will go here. EC. Now again let me use some geometry and see what did I get. So I am now getting that. I am now getting that E dash C. This size EC, this size, they both are same. Can they be so? This size, this small size, can they be same? They can't be same. Only one condition they can be same. What is that condition? This E dash should lie on E. Or you can just say E dash equal to E. Or you can say E dash and E will coincide with each other. We are getting this equation. This can only be true if E dash and E are coinciding. So what did I draw? I draw D dash is parallel to BC. I just got in place of E dash, I can keep E. D is parallel to BC, and that is what I need to prove. That is what I prove. Okay, so it's a reverse way of going, student. It's a reverse way of going. Shayan, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanish, any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so this is what you. It is given here also. If you want, I'll send you the screenshot also. E dash and E will coincide. In your NCRT book, I don't think it is given in so deeply. He has used some shortcuts, student. Okay. Yeah, do this question, student. Read this question. He has given some measurements. PE is 3.9. EQ is 3, PF is 3.6, FR is 2.4. Now what is he asking? He is asking whether they both are parallel or not. Student, he has not given parallel. He has given some ratio, and you know if this ratio is equal, they are parallel. Check whether the ratio is equal or not. And you know what ratio I am speaking about. Converse BPT statement. Narendran, right answer. Megha, right answer. Check, student, you all know you just need to find PE by EQ and PF by FR. If the both answers are same, then you can just say they are parallel. If the both answers are not same, yes, very good, Shayan. Very good, Ankita. Harshini, right answer. Tanish? Yes, Karthik, right. Tanish. PE by EQ 3.9 by 3. PF by FR 3.6 by 2.4. 12.3 is a 12.2 is a. I'm getting 3 by 2. Can 3 by 2 be equal to 3.9 by 3? It's 1.3. It's 1.5. How can they both are equal, student? They are not equal. They are not parallel. So this line, even though it looks like, it is actually like this, I guess. Then only we can say it is not parallel, right? Okay. Okay, Ruchita. Right. Okay. Yeah, so there are some standard questions which you should which is very easy also. You see, he has given some ratios. Whenever this ratio is given, you need to think about the converse BPT. And he has given angle PST, this angle equal to this angle. Now, by the converse BPT, what can you say? If this ratio is equal, you can just say that this line, this line are parallel to each other. If these both lines are parallel to each other, this angle will be equal by corresponding. You should write this statement. Now, in a big triangle, if this is blue, or that means the both angles are same, it's an isosceles triangle. In that way, you can use this particular. Okay, so he has given this and this. You have with this particular thing, you have proven these both are parallel line. So this angle is this angle. That means in a big triangle, this angle is same. It's an isosceles triangle. Okay, there are some standard questions. Try to use them. Not required. Not required. One question should I do? One question I do. Okay, so Tanish, help me, student. Read the question and try to give how to start. The angle ABC is inside triangle beta. OP, OQ, OR are the points. Okay, okay. On this is a big triangle. In that there are small points. Yes, Tanish. How to start? Sir, very good. Actually, very good. AB is parallel to PQ. AB is this
So since AB parallel to PQ, take triangle POQ.
POQ. So what should I write now?
So since they are parallel, it is PA by AO and OB by OQ.
PA by
Sorry,
AO.
OB by BQ.
Again, can you say?
So PA by AO
Uh,
equals OB by BQ.
That is what I am saying. Don't do this mistakes, Tanesh. I said that please start from the common vertex so that you'll not mix. What did you say? You said PA by AO equal to QB by BO by QB, you said, which is wrong. Please start with the common vertex. All these confusions will be lost. OA by AP equal to OB by QB or BQ. Okay, Tanesh?
Yes, sir.
So give me other thing also. At least you give me this one, right? Let me erase the thing. Yeah, I have finished. Tanesh, you have chosen the right triangle. Now AC is parallel to PR. AC is this. PR is there. Which triangle should I choose?
Sir, POR.
PR. Give me the condition. What should I write?
Sir, OA by OP.
OA
Sorry,
by
AP.
AP equal to.
Equals OC by CL.
Very good. Okay, so please start with common. But student, here if you are writing this, please write converse BPT word. If you are not writing, you will lose mark. Converse BPT word. Okay. Yes, now I'm able to see left hand sides are equal. I can equate right hand side. OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Okay, so let me frame out where are they. So I'm able to see OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Yes, Mega. If they are equal, what can I say, student?
By BPT that they're parallel.
Okay, very good. BC is parallel to QR by BPT. If you are not writing this reason, you will lose your marks. Okay, please write the reasons. Okay, yeah, so there are some standard questions. Yeah, you see here we have constructed a second student. Diagonals of a quadrant ABCD intersect at each other. Yeah, you see here he has not given the EF word. Let us draw line EF parallel to AB. You need to draw. He has given diagonals. He has not given this word. You need to draw this. Let us draw line EF parallel to AB. After that, the story is same. After that, the story is same. Now you can recognize. Okay, so here BPT I can apply. That story is same, student. Okay, with that we have finished basics, BPT, converse BPT. Okay. Now let us do one question on this topic, and we'll be ready for the final, student. We'll be ready for the final. Okay. Yeah. Criteria for similarity. I missed one question. Where is that question? Anyhow, let leave it. Yeah. So let us go for AAA criteria first. But before that, let us do basic questions on criteria first. Okay, so student, what is similarity? If I say both triangles are similar, each and every angle should be similar, three conditions, and their corresponding side should be in the same ratio, three conditions, six conditions, then only you can say they both are similar. Order is very, very important. Order is very, very important. Okay, so let us do some questions on order then first. Two triangles are if in two triangles this condition is there, then what can you say about comment about the triangles, especially the order he is asking? You can all clearly see it is sides ratio, sides ratio, sides ratio. So you already know this is a criteria which shows they both are similar. If similar, which one? Okay, very good, Karthik. That was right. Previous question. Narendran right. Ankita right. Very good student. Harshini right. Tanish right. Shayan right. Mega no. Come on, Karthik. Rujita, right.
Very good.
Very good, Karthik. Right answer. Okay. So whenever such question is, at least go and cross check this one. AB means DF. AB means DF is there? No. AB means DF is there? No. AB means DF
Sir,
is
I
there? No.
corrected the answer.
Okay. AB means DF is there. But please don't stop with this. After you are getting, go for the second one. BC means FE. BC means FE. CE means ED. CEA means ED. Yes, absolutely. This is the right answer. Okay. Yes, Mega, right answer. Ayana, answers कहाँ है बेटा? Sorry, not बेटी. Where are the answers? Megha gives some option. Ankita, Megha, answers are matching. Rujita, answer not matching. Narendra, answer matching. Then Rujita, you need to check. Remaining all are correct, I guess. Yes, right answers are good. Rujita, right. Tanish, very good this time. Harshini, right. Ayana, very good. I should request Ayana to give the answers. And some students are there in my batch. Even after requesting, they will give only one answer. Avdan, you know his name, right? Okay, so C is the right answer. Okay, do this question, student. In figure, triangle ACB similar. Already the word similar is given by whatever criteria it may be. SSS, SAS, AA. Okay, and what all given? BC is 8, PQ is 4, AB is 6.5, AP is 2.8, CA कितना? CQ कितना? This black one he is asking. Okay, so you see he's speaking about the distances. So now you use by SPST. What is that particular thing you want to use? You use it. He's playing on the distances or side length. Yes, Narendran, half answer right. So students who I'm able to see some students got very confident. I'm very happy that. But please go in your final boards or make it a habit from right now. Last 10 minutes you spend it to check your answers, students. You see, some students are directly giving the answer even without doing the basic step, and they are getting their answers right. I'm happy about that. Okay, but don't take a chance for the questions and answers which you already know. At least last 10 minutes you go and cross check in your board paper. Yes, Narendran, right answer. Harshini, no, I don't think so. Rujita, half answer right. Ankita, half answer right. Again, next half answer check. Mega, only half answer is right. First one is wrong.
Sir, I guess.
Yes, very good, Karthik. Absolutely fine.
Sir, I accidentally wrote 3 instead of 2. It's 2-5.
So that is what I said to cross check again. Yes, Rujita, right answer. Tanish, half answer right. Yes, Karthik, I am able to see in last 1 week you progressed a lot.
Sir, I started, watching the other this chapters.
Okay. Okay, so you can ask me the videos which you missed also. I can share to you. Okay, I'm only here to help you.
Sir, I'm trying to complete the this thing. So questions, like the
Okay.
concepts I know about it, so I only need the questions.
Then actually this is a time to go for only sample papers because the
Yes, sir.
logic you were learning it from the first day and you have given your pre-boards, mid-boards, many things you have given. It's only you should take one sample paper, take it, watch the time, check, and finally after writing it, go cross check the final answer. Now, and you need to keep a small notebook. Where are you facing many repeated wrong question, wrong answers? In which topic? And then you need to go for the revision of that particular topic. Again, one more sample paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tanish. Right answer, Tanish. Harshini, yes, right answer. Okay, so 3.25 and 5.6 is the right answer. Okay. Yeah, so let us do one or two questions on AAA and move ahead, student. AAA criteria. You all know AAA criteria means only every corresponding angle should be equal. That's all, nothing more than that. Okay. So if the corresponding angles are equal by AA criteria, they both are similar. If similar by CPST, you can make that particular sides are in the same ratio by CPST. Okay. Yeah. So let us do some questions, student. Okay. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. You see, please check. Trapezium means two sides should be parallel. Now, which sides are parallel? You should go and cross check the statement perfectly. He said AB is parallel to CD. That means this is AB, this is CD. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD. Many students take something like this. All your answers will be wrong, and go please cross check which sides he is making a parallel and take the name accordingly. And the diagonals he is speaking about, diagonals are intersecting at O. AC and BD are intersecting at O. Use the similarity criteria. Student, he is asking the similarity criteria. So there is no requirement to draw the parallel line. You see, same question, three types of it. You see, if at all he is asking to use BPT, then you should draw the parallel line. Why? Because you want a triangle, you want a parallel line. Okay. So here he is asking BPT, don't use it. Okay, Ankita, AO by OC, OB by OD. Which triangle should I take, student? Which two triangles should I take?
So triangle ADC and ABD.
Okay, you see, student, whenever you're getting confused, so ADC and ABD, she said, right? Let me use it. First of all, you should not select the triangles like that. You should see what he's asking. What he's asking, let me draw. AO is this, OC is this, OB is this, OD is this. Yes, Ankita, now you say me, student, which triangle should I take? Yes, right answer, Rudita. Now you say, student, so now I have already written which sides I need to consider. This is sides ratio. According to that, you guess which triangle side should I take?
So I think the same I had told earlier.
Same, not required. Yes, Narendra,
Sir,
which triangle should I take? Yes, right answer. Student, I have already written, you see, red, green. So if I take these two triangles only, that particular sides can be take common. So it's triangle AOB and triangle COD. If you take ABD and ABC, ABD and ABC, if you take that, I think you will get that also. Let me see. ABD and triangle ABC. Okay.
So triangle ABD and triangle ADC.
ADC you said. Okay. And you help me, student. ADC. ABD matlab this. ADC matlab. Yeah. Which angles will be equal? Which angles are equal? I need to show similarity, right? And my topic is AAA. So obviously, I'm speaking about the angles only. ABD means this angle, ABD means this, ADC means it's no, not at all. This can't help you. Okay, so whenever such question is asked, try to see this particular format and try to use some colors or pencils. Okay, when I just got finally these colors, I came to know that okay, so there is OB is this, OD is this. Now I came to so if I take this triangle and this triangle, then only this side, this side, this side, this side will be coming. Okay, So triangle AOB and COD I'll take, student. Okay. Now you guess, Ankita. So which angles can be equal and the reasons also?
Sir, angle BOA and angle COD can be equal, vertically
This
opposite.
very good. Vertically opposite angle. Other one.
So then angle BAO and angle DCO can be equal, alternate angles.
Very good. Angle BAO means this angle equal. This angle can be equal. This angle can be equal. Okay. AAA. Or you can just stop with AA also. Right now I'm taking AAA. I am taking three angles. Angle BAC equal to angle DCO. Angle ABD equal to angle, not ABD, ABO. ABO equal to angle ODs. Okay, students, three angles are equal. This one vertically opposite. This one alternating angles. This one alternative. By these three, you can say they both are triangle AOB is similar to triangle. Whenever A is written, I should write C. See, whenever O is written, I should write O. O. Whenever B is written, I should write D. That's all. If they are equal, then I can say AO by OC equal to OB by OD. Reason CP, yes. Okay, understood, Ankita? Which two triangles consider?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Yes, Karthik. Are these both triangles also same? Are these both angles also same, student? Please give me.
So from what?
This angle. Are they same?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Harshini, are this angle same?
Yes.
Narendra, you say me? The red one and the black one, are they same?
No, sir, they're not parallel.
Yes, student, are they parallel? They are not parallel. That's the reason I'm saying. You see, AB and CD are parallel. This is a transversal. Then these both are equal. But now, what I asked is, AD is some curve, BC is some curve. Are they parallel? They are meeting at one point. So how can you assume this is a transversal and say they
Sir,
both are equal? Yes.
but AB is parallel to DC and AC is a transversal, right?
1 second. So I asked you the black one or the red one?
Sir, you asked that.
I asked this one are equal. You said no. I asked
Yes,
this one are equal.
yeah. I said yes for that.
This one, second one.
Yes, sir.
You
Because
see, you say me.
AB is parallel to DC, then AC will be the transversal.
Okay, so she's telling AB is a big line, CD is a big line. Okay, this is a transversal. This one, this one. Yeah, second one is your. No, student. You see, where is this angle forming? Is this angle forming between AB? No, this angle, this is somewhat here. Only this part. It's not the total angle. Understood, Harshini?
Yes.
Okay, so this is not total angle. No, students. So the both answers are wrong. Okay, so angles between parallel lines only transversal exist, and the alternating the corresponding angle, all those concepts come. Whenever you are taking that concept for the lines which are not parallel, those all angles fail. This angle can't be equal. This angle can't, not this angle. This angle can't be equal. Shayan, are you able to follow, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Karthik, did you understand now? Do this question, student. Karthik, did you understand now? Karthik. Okay, he's not there. He's there. Okay, so just now you have proved these two triangles are only will be these two triangles only will be similar. Don't go for this triangle. These triangles are formed not between the parallel lines. So you can't take all those criteria. Only the triangles which are formed between parallel lines will be equal. So I am drawing with the red color. This only can be similar, not the other two. So finding x value is nothing but I want equation. What is the equation? You can use similarity. I don't. I just say this. No, I don't want. Give it to mama. Rujita, did you follow the previous example, friend? Why they are not
Yes, sir.
equal angle?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Tanish, I have messaged something in your WhatsApp, so please send me that PDF.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mega, right answer. Ankita, right answer. Tanish, no student. Tanish, check the yes, Narendra, right answer. You are very near, Tanish. So it may be 7, it may be -7, it may be 8, it may be -8. They all are near only then. Huh? Triangle COD is the triangle AOB. Students who have taken this order wrong, they are the first wrong step. This angle will be same. In place of C, you should write it. In place of D, you should write B. You have taken this order wrong, then all your answer will be wrong. Rudita, no. Rudita, no.
Sir, could you check my answer?
I already said your answer is right. It is Maya, right? It is Mega, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, you have given the right answer. Already said that. Yeah, so please go with this one. Ankita, are you there, student? So you gave the answer. Okay, so student, I think you'll get an equation, right? Okay, x square minus 5x.
So minus 17x plus 72.
Ah, yes. Plus 15 equal to 9x minus 9 57. X square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 9x minus 57. X square minus 8x is 17x plus 57, 67, 72 equal to 0. Yeah, the roots are something 8 and 9. X minus 8 into x minus 9 equal to 0. X equal to 8 or 9. 8 will be your answer. Okay, students? Okay, so we'll stop here. So we'll take another half an hour in the next session. So I just want to do one example before we start the sample paper. Some good questions are there. Yeah, so you see this question is somewhat little bit tricky. So this question I want you all to practice at least once. Okay. Then I want to just give some concept on area of similar triangle which I did not give in the regular session. Only one formula. I don't know. I don't remember. So some of them said it is deleted. So I have not started also. Some angle bisector theorem and especially that area of triangles concept. Only the formula I'll be giving. not the proof. Yeah, this one. Okay. With this, the next half an hour, we'll close this and we'll go for the sample paper. Okay. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Thank you,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in areas related to circles, for finding your segment area, my teacher gave a small formula instead of using the triangles in center.
That is r square sin theta formula, right?
No, sir, like pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 whole into r square.
No, students, you see, if that question is given for 3 marks, first of all, so we can't use the direct formula. If the direct formula is there in your book, you can use it. If the direct formula is not there, you need to prove that formula, then you need to apply it. Or else
Sir,
you will not get the
I
mark.
asked and she said we can use it.
How can so you need to ask it, right? Ma'am, this formula we have not used in 9th class, 8th class, 7th class. In 10th class also not there. Like I said, as per BPT, we can apply BPT. If there is no word of BPT, I need to prove that BPT, then I should say as per the above BPT. Like that we need to prove. Okay, and send me that formula, but I'm sure that you should not use that formula. There are many easy formulas than that. Some r square sin theta formula for segment, the direct formula. It's a sector minus half r square sin theta. All the answers you will get, but you should not use that formula.
Okay.
Okay, send me that formula.
Yes.
At least. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, guys.